Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn a very useful tip in Microsoft Excel, which encourages us not to use formula, use keyboard shortcut Ctrl E instead wherever possible. Normally, when we want to combine first name and last name, we use this formula, concat, first name, comma, quotation, comma, last name, close the bracket, and then hit enter. First name and last name are combined. Instead, we use Ctrl E. If I write full name only in the first cell, and then Ctrl E, as you can see, automatically all the cells are filled. Let us move to the second example. Now I want to split full name. Write Rita here. Ctrl E. Ctrl E. As you can see, all the names are splitted. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.